Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This little video is about how important the Alt key is in some cases. If you've ever drawn something and your lines didn't match up at the bottom by spacing, you would have to hold down the Shift key to select each one of these lines. Well, you don't have to do that. You can hold down the Alt key and just swipe a line through there, and it's going to select all those lines, and you can just move them down and make them equal. Same thing, if you didn't want these center lines, you could get the virtual segment delete key and just swipe through the middle, not getting the outside. So the Alt key helps you select things that you only have to touch part of it. So to select this line or that rectangle in that box, I have to select that box. But if I use the Alt key, I just have to swipe through there and I've selected that line in that rectangle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.